How to subscribe for Spotify Premium. Hello everyone, welcome to TikTok. Subscribing Spotify Premium is quick and easy. So to do this, open your Spotify app. Here on bottom of your screen, you can see different navigation options. So tap on Premium. Now scroll down. Here you will see all the Spotify plans. So keep on scrolling to see more plans. Spotify offers individual, student, duo and family plans. So select the plan that is suitable for you. If you are new user, then you will get 1 month as free trial. So here let me subscribe this plan. So I will be subscribing to individual. So tap on this try icon. You can directly pay from here or else you can use Google Play to pay. So choose any of them and then click on continue. And then you will see this page. From here, you need to choose payment options. You can either pay with your credit card or you can use PayPal account. So here I will select credit card. Now simply fill in your card details. So fill your card number, expiry date and then security code. After filling everything, simply scroll down all the way to bottom. Now click on complete purchase. By doing this, you will be successfully able to take Spotify Premium. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.